Are you looking for the best sewing machine for free motion quilting? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Singer 9960 Sewing Machine. The table for stitching can be easily extended. As a result, you're able to increase your work area, which lets you complete larger projects. The bobbin system is also very easy to use. There's a section at the top where the bobbins can be loaded in for easy insertion. You're then able to see how many bobbins you have left to use by looking through the clear cover. The Singer 9960 comes with 13 different buttonhole styles already built in. Using the machine for buttonholes is super easy, as it's a process that only involves one step. All you need to do is put the button in the buttonhole area and the sewing machine automatically sews a hole in the precise style that you choose. The threading system is also incredibly easy to use, as it enables you to have the whole machine threaded within a matter of seconds. This means you can put more time into stitching your fabrics. At number 2, Brother CS600i Sewing Machine. The Brother CS600i would be the best option. It comes with a slider that you can use to adjust the speed of the sewing machine. This lets you have total control over how fast or slow you want to stitch. We liked how they fitted an LCD display that lets you see information on the type of stitch that you've selected. This makes it easy to know exactly what type of stitch you're using to avoid mistakes. There is a range of 8 quilting and sewing feet available as well. Therefore, intermediate users have more options to choose from when sewing or quilting. They include walking, overcasting, spring action, monogramming, buttonhole, zipper feet, and more. Users have been loving how it comes with an automatic needle threader as well. This is super easy to use by simply using the lever and watching how the thread gets pushed automatically through the needle. It's a great feature for saving time for you to focus on stitching. The larger design of the table means that you're provided with more space to use when stitching quilts. At number 3, Brother XR3774 Free Motion Quilting Machine. The Brother XR3774 Free Motion Quilting Machine is an excellent option for both quilting beginners and intermediate users due to how easy it is to use. It's also a more affordable option, for which makes it a great start for beginners to learn how to use sewing machines for free motion quilting. We were impressed with how there are a total of 37 stitches included that are all unique. In addition to this, you're provided with 74 different stitching functions to use. These are great features that beginners can use to learn from. People have been liking how there's an LED light fitted to the sewing machine as well. This enables you to see the area that you're stitching, regardless of how dark your environment is. At number 4, Brother PQ1500SL Sewing Machine. Brother's PQ1500SL Quilting and Sewing Machine is of a more professional standard. It's super quick and convenient to let you start on your projects without delay. You're also able to have more control over the tension of the thread that you're using. This is due to the thread tension control system that has been fitted. It lets you have more precise tension control that you can alter depending on the type of project that you're working on. To ensure that you're able to work with larger pieces of fabric properly, the table can be extended to 5.7 by 8.6. This larger workspace makes it a lot easier to handle bigger projects. At number 5, Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. An LED light is available with the XM2701 model by Brother, which lets you easily see the area that you're stitching in. We also liked how there's a system that lets you make buttonholes in specific sizes. This is a result of the single-step auto-size buttonhole feature. It's super easy to use and provides you with precise buttonholes. Users have also been liking how there are 27 stitches built into the machine. These include stitches for blind hems, decorations, quilting, and more. Switching between the different stitching options is also incredibly easy as a result of the dial that can be turned for the various options. You can be sure to have an easy time threading the needle with this machine. There's an automatic needle threader available that enables you to have the needle threaded within seconds by simply touching a lever. People have been liking how the system for using the bobbin is super simple. It involves a quick set top drop-in feature that works to keep the bobbin securely in place. As a result, you're able to have an easy time stitching quickly and with accuracy.